All right, so let's take a little tour of VidAmaze and do a demo. We're going to start by showing you what the end result looks like because it's super, super cool. Once you see this, you're going to fall in love with it. Then I'll go step by step and show you just how easy it is to make these supercharged, hypnotic, highly engaging videos. So watch this. Number one, we've got a video on the screen. This is a video that I uploaded. You could start by uploading a video, choosing from a template, or even grabbing one from YouTube. But look what I did here. I did this real quick. I could have done it better, but I sat in my office and I held up this white sign, and it's blank. You could bet what's going to come up, right? All right, now here's what I'm going to do. We've got this all set up. I'm going to go over to ActiveCampaign. Now remember, this is super easy. Inside of ActiveCampaign, I'm going to choose 3 contacts. Now I could choose 3 contacts. I could choose 3,000 contacts. It doesn't matter. This is what we mean by sending out personalized videos at scale. You only need to send 1 video and 1 email, and I'll prove it. Okay, watch this. We're going to go for these 3 contacts, and we're going to create a campaign inside of ActiveCampaign. This will work the same way on any program that you're using. All right, so we're going to go here. We're going to start a campaign. I've got one in draft mode already called the live demo. We'll continue here, and you'll just see this is so easy. This is already set up. I've already done this, so we'll just put the time down here. Is currently 17:28 is the way I like to do that. And ActiveCampaign is going to ask us to choose from all of our lists. I'm going to segment my list by that tag. So, you know, there's 3 people on here. You'll see that at the very end. All right, so from all my lists, I'm only looking for ones that I have a certain tag on. Then we get to the design of the template itself. Now, the cool thing is VidAmaze gives you the code right here. You're simply going to take this code right here, and you're going to drag and drop it. I put that code right here. All right, if I click on this, you're going to see that's the same code that I got from VidAmaze right here. Simple as that. I added a little personalization to the top. I said, hey, first name, check out this video how flawless follow-up can help last name, but I actually put the company name in the last name field. You'll see that in a second. And we hit next. And it's simple as that. I'm going to check that I'm only going to 3 contacts, and I am. I don't want to send this to my whole list right now, but I could. All right, and we're going to send it right now. Sending campaign right now. ActiveCampaign will take a minute or 2 to do its thing, and I'll show you what's going to happen. Here, if I go back to my contacts, and you can see I've got 37,677. I could send this to all of them, but I'm not going to. I'm only sending them to the ones that have this VidAmaze tag here, VidAmaze. Whoops, I spelled VidAmaze wrong. All right. Right there. These are the ones that are going to get it, right? There's 3. So I'm sending 1 to Colonel Sanders. And again, for this demonstration, I put the company name inside the last name field. We're going to make a separate company name field for that, okay? I'm going to send 1 to Steve at Offline Funnel Mastery and 1 to Elon at Tesla. All right, so 3 people get an email. You saw we're doing this at scale. I did this just once. 1 email, sent it to these 3 people. Now let's see if they came in. Let's see. Here's the first one. Here it is. Look here. From Steve Rosenbaum. Check out this video, Elon. And I click on it. Hey, Elon, check out this video how flawless follow-up can help Tesla. Cool. All right, now let's click on the video itself and watch what happens. I go to the page. I start the video. There's my white sign. And bam! How cool is that? Hey, Elon, does Tesla need more sales? Now, let's check this out, okay? Same exact time, right? This video came 0 minutes ago at 5:30. Let's go to a different email box. Here's one to Colonel Sanders, and it came at 5:30 at the exact same time. Hey, Colonel Sanders, check out this video how flawless follow-up can help KFC. And let's click on the video, and let's start it up, and let's see what happens to the white sign. Colonel Sanders, does KFC need more sales? Bam! Do you see that? I could have sent this out to all 37,000 people, all at one time. That's what we're talking about. That you can't turn that off. When you see your name and you see your company, you're going to watch the video. Let's continue watching, because this is just the start. This just gets our attention for the very first time. Let's continue watching here. All right, now, turn up my volume a little bit. I don't know if my video is going to get the volume here. Let's see if it does. All right, now.
Meet Flawless Follow-Up, the most powerful drag-and-drop website builder. And a funnel or landing page builder with built-in A/B testing and web forms. Oh, and surveys too.
Look at that. Look at that. It stopped in the middle. I put another engagement feature. It's a poll. Okay, so I can take a poll here. How do you rate your follow-up? Help me, please. I'm so-so. I'm a follow-up fanatic. Now, they can skip the poll if they want, but we'll just say, help me, please. Notice, though, I'm getting them engaged in the video. I'm drawing them in so they take action. We want them to stay all the way to the end.
Well, we've got a lot more. Text to pay, unlimited calendars, appointment meeting reminders, automatic review requests, powerful and fully customizable workflow automations engine allowing you to set up almost any rules to automate almost anything, ringless voicemail drops, opportunities pipelines, analytics dashboard, reporting, automated calls, call recording, phone dialer, missed call text back. But that's still not all. The list keeps on going. Flawless Follow-Up is truly the ultimate all-in-one sales and marketing CRM built just for small businesses like yours. Flawless Follow-Up. Automate your business.
And look at that. We end with an end screen with a call to action. Schedule a demo of Flawless Follow-Up. And that button, they click inside the video and watch this. The button actually goes to, you guessed it, my calendar. All right, so that video is not a regular video. It actually has buttons also inside of it. You could stop the video. You could put a call to action. You could put an affiliate link here. My buddy Chris will show you how to do that. And these are just a few. There's 9 hypnotic triggers that we will show you later on in this demo. But there you go. How cool is that? I wanted you to see for yourself what it looks like, the end result. We could send this to 3,000, 37,000 people, however many people we want. It's going to be highly personalized for them. All right, there you go. That's what it looks like. Now, let me take you inside the video and show you the triggers. All right, now you've seen the end result. Wasn't that cool? Let me show you how easy it is to set something like that up. Now, first of all, the one you saw was right here. Flawless Follow-Up helps you. And I uploaded my own video. That's one of the choices. You could upload your own video. You could grab one from YouTube, or we've got these amazing templates, which I'll show you in a second. But I want to show you real quickly, when we personalize a video, we have all these trigger actions. There's 9 hypnotic trigger actions, and you could see on the timeline, this is what you saw. You saw that I added a speech bubble, you saw that I added a custom poll, and you saw that at the end, I gave the meeting link. And there's several more here. We'll go over them in a second. So that's what the end result looks like. But let's do one of these from the very, very beginning so you can see how simple it is. Let's say you don't have your own video, so you want to use one of our brilliant templates. You could start from here. So you could choose your own template. And the beautiful thing is, if you're a local marketer, we've got all these niche videos so you can get clients. So let's just say that you want to get let's just get a carpet cleaning service. We'll choose that one, okay? So we chose that, and we're going to call it the carpet cleaning demo. Okay, real original there, right? So we save that, and we go to the next. Now, look what's happening here. We've got already built for you this entire video. It's beautiful. Chances are you're just going to want it to run it the way that it is. There's a couple things you might personalize, like this end. You're going to put your customer's logo here. You're going to put their phone number, and you're going to put their web address. But almost everything else, you probably want to leave it entirely alone, because these were done by professional animators. All right. Now, there's the first one. Notice it says "Hey" with the dots. This is the one where we will personalize with their first name. So the first thing we do is we approve the video the way that it is. If we want to make any changes, screen by screen, we can go make these changes. Not a problem. We can even change the background. Excuse me. We can even change the background video. But let's leave it the way it is, and let's continue. Now we choose any audio that we want. Do we like this one? Wow, that's loud, but we'll choose it anyways. I got my speakers way up. We'll choose that, and now we're going to render the video. Now, this takes just a couple minutes, so we'll let this go for a second. I will pause the video, and it says 15 to 20 minutes. It takes 2 to 3 minutes at most. Doesn't take a long time. I'll pause the video. I'll come back when it's all done. Okay, we're already done. That didn't even take 2 minutes. So when you're all done, you got 2 options here. You can download the video, but we want to personalize it. So we're going to click here. We're going to personalize the video. Now, this is where the fun and the magic begins. This is where we can add these 9 different hypnotic triggers. Now, I'm not going to go through each and every one of them. That's going to be up for you. You're going to have fun with this when you get it and you play with it. But, of course, you know the one that we want to do is we want to put their first name. We do that with an overlay. So what we do is we start the video and we look for the screen where we want to put their first name. So let's just start it. And it starts right there with "Hey." Okay. We use this is called scrubbing, when you move it back and forth, right? So let's make a note of where it starts. Right there, okay? At 2 seconds is where it starts, and we're going to make another note of where that ends. Okay? It's at 3 seconds. So we're going to do it from, let's say, 1 to 3 seconds. So we're going to take the overlay, all right? Let's get back to where we want this to be, right here at 1 second, okay? We're going to take the overlay, and we'll choose simple text. I like that one the best. And we personalize this with the first name token, just like that. We get rid of this John Doe. That tells VidAmaze to insert the first name from your autoresponder, all right? Now, you see here, it's not showing up real well because its font is white on white. So let's take this font and let's make it, we can make it the same blue if we want. Just take this eyedropper and choose that blue. Now it's going to match just like that. And we could take it now and move it. We could center it just like this. Make sure we give it lots of room. We could change the font. Let's do something fancy. Let's do like a lobster. Okay, how cool is that? We got dozens and dozens and dozens of different fonts. You could do anything you want. You could do this. Bungee inline is kind of cool. You can make it different colors if you want. You can make it different size if you want. But for that, we'll leave it just like that. And the important thing is, remember, we got to set the start time to be 1 second and the end time to be 3 seconds. We figured that out by looking at the screen. We set that time and we apply this. There you go. Now, it says here, name personalized timeline. The trigger is set. You see it here between 1 and 3 seconds. You know that you're good. Now, I also like at the very, very end, I like to put a call to action link, all right, or a link card, either one of these, or a CTA link. There's 3 different variations. Each one does something a little bit different, but we'll use this one. No, let's use this CTA link, I think, right? Yeah, that's the one. All right, we're going to put this one. The CTA link always goes at the very end of the video, and this is where you put, again, I'm just going to say, schedule a demo with us, okay? And pick a good time for you. There you go. And then you put your calendar link there. If you want to change a button, you can change a button. All sorts of different options here, right? And we simply apply it. That goes to the very end. Now, anything you want to do in between, go ahead. You could customize this any way you want. You can go to the middle of the video, all right? And if you want to stop it to take a poll, this is where I did that, right? Cancel that one, and we're going to put a poll right there at 9 seconds. And your poll might be, okay, when was the last time you cleaned your carpets? Okay? And you could say 1 year, 6 months, okay? Or yesterday. All right, and we could have that as a poll, and we can apply it. All of these hypnotic trigger actions, they cause the viewer to jump into the video and take action. That's exactly what you want. That's how you get your engagement. Several of these can be used to build your list, like the CTA link, taking you to your calendar link. You could even put an affiliate link underneath there. You could take them to any website that you want. So this is great for affiliate marketing, this is great for local marketing, and this is great for your clients as well. You could also put in a lower third. So let's say here, we want to put a lower third in. We'll do this right here at 4 seconds, and we're going to pick a lower third. We'll just take this one right here, and we're going to call it, we'll call it Austin's Best Carpet Cleaning. Okay, and they're at carpetcleaning.com. All right, and we're going to start that at 4 seconds, and we're going to run that for about 3 seconds. All right, and again, if we want to change the font to match this color right here or match his overalls, we'll do that. All right, and there you go. We could change the background color too if we want to make that. Let's say this isn't going to look good, but let's make it more of a red. Here, let's just choose that red. All right, so there we go. Yeah, that looks horrible. I wish I didn't do that. Okay, no, that's not so bad. All right, now we apply that. So what you see here is you're building and customizing, personalizing these videos as they go. That's what makes VidAmaze so magical. When you're all done, you've got the timeline, you've got your calls to action, you've got it personalized. That's it. Now you just go and you're ready to send this to a sales page. So you take this, you create a sales page. You can customize the sales page any way you want. The video is going to go here. You put your customer's logo there. You change the headline. You could also change, there's several different templates of these, and we published it, and now we can preview it, and our video will go right there in the center. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so the first name would be there if we had a mail merge. In a second, you're going to see, there you go. There's your lower third. So you'll play with this, you'll get the timing just right. There's your poll. How cool is that? So you're ready to go. All right, there you go. It's that simple. Now you've got it. You can send an email. Go back here. Let's go back. You can send an email through the system. If you have a list with names and information you want to put in the video, you simply upload that, or you can do what we did. You can integrate this with ActiveCampaign or MailChimp or Aweber or GetResponse or ConvertKit or Drip or Entreport. And, oh, there's more. Constant Contact, iContact, SendLane, SendInBlue, HubSpot. Oh my God, there's so many. All right, and we're even adding Flawless Follow-Up and ReadyFunnels Pro. That will be here as well. This gives you the embed code that you could take this and put it right in the video. You get the URL, and this is what you use as a link to put inside your email. There'll be training videos on how to do that. It's super simple, and you've seen the end result. It's fantastic, it's fun, and it gets tremendous results. Welcome to VidAmaze. You're going to love it, your clients are going to love it, and your affiliates are going to love it too.